Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to show you how I remove scratches from my Citizen watch. The Citizen Calibre 2100 is an iconic watch with its panda dial and of course solar eco drive movement. It has seen better days, but it's still one of my favorites. This watch has been beat up pretty bad, but well loved over the years. The thing that bothers me the most are the scratches on the glass. So I got this polishing kit from Amazon. It comes with cerium oxide powder. It's like this dried powder mix that you put water to, and it becomes like a paste. And it has some buffing wheels that is also included as well. So it's a nice little kit with a cloth and several sizes of buffing wheels, but the one that I'm going to use is this one here because it plugs into my drill. You could probably try to buff it out with the cerium paste and some manual labor and a cloth, but that may take hours. It'll probably work better with a Dremel or polishing machine, but all I have right now is a DeWalt drill. So I got a little dish here and I put some cerium oxide powder in it. I'm just going to add a little bit of water just so it's like a paste kind of consistency, and make sure you mix it up really well. And all I did was add some of the paste to the uh, watch glass and I started buffing away at it. You want to make sure you stop every once in a while and check to make sure that the watch isn't getting hot from all that friction. And if the powder or the cerium paste starts drying out, you want to add more of it. And every once in a while, I like to rub it off with the included cloth, and then I check how it went, and then I would add more and continue buffing away. Basically, you keep on doing this over and over again until most of the scratches disappear. I found that it was easier if I put the watch on a table or something and then buffed at it instead of holding it. So this might give you better leverage. I probably did this for about 30 minutes. Obviously, if you did this longer, you'll be able to do a better job. So, but I was happy with the results. I have thought about replacing the glass and putting in a sapphire crystal, but I wanted to keep everything original, and I didn't think a brand new sapphire glass would kind of match the rest of the watch. I buffed it for another half an hour or an hour. I'd probably get even more of the scratches out. So here are the results with a side by side. As you can see, it removed a lot of the really minor scratches, and it looks a lot better. The scratches around the edges of the glass is still there. I probably will spend a little bit more time on that, but overall, it actually works. I'll probably never be able to get rid of the deep scratches, but I'm okay with that. After buffing it a bit more with the cerium oxide paste, I added a 38 millimeter glass protector to prevent it from getting any further scratches, as well as hide some of the existing ones. And I think it turned out really good. It gives it a fresh face, but it still has its battle scars. I don't think I'll ever be able to get rid of, the deep scratches or the chips around the corner, but I really appreciate, a watch with signs of age. All the marks and nicks tells the story, and I think it looks kind of cool. The Citizen Eco Drive watches are designed to last decades with little maintenance. Buffing out some scratches with cerium oxide really gave it a fresh makeover and keep it looking good for a few more decades. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll talk to you in the next one.